to our dear principal, Geeta ma'am, Aspire coordinator, Gurdeep sir, teachers, all educators from Helen O'Grady, dear parents, and most importantly, our stars for today.
These students, mentored by Team Helen O'Grady, present you Bharatvarsh, the beginning. Listen carefully. Yes, you are right. It is as if some angels have visited our forest today. Look, there is a basket covered with leaves. Tiny baby girl. You will be protected by the Shaku. Hence, I name you Shakuntala. 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 Ready now. Let's call Shakuntala to try it on. Beautiful on Shakuntala. Shakuntala, Shakuntala, please come here soon. Yes, Sakhi. What a pretty looking garment. I love it. You must wear it to look beautiful on you. Thank you everyone. I'm blessed to be with you all. It seems like just yesterday when we found her in the jungle, being protected by shakuns. Oh, is that why she was named Shakuntala? Yes, my child. Always remember, destiny works in mysterious ways, and we all have our parts to play. Wanadu Kanwa, may the day be fruitful for everyone. I want to rest for a while and we shall find We need your leadership now.
Prince of Hastinapur, may Dharma protect you.
Is all well? Everyone looks tense. Promise me that you will come back. Keep this ring, Shapat. You will be recognized as a part of my family through this ring. Thank you, Dushyant. Someone's there. Shidhar Vasa, we didn't know you would be visiting. Let me call my friend.
Devi, I'm hungry.
Shakuntala, give me food. Shakuntala! How dare you ignore me? Nobody treats me like this. Oh, Shidharvasa, I was lost in my thoughts and did not see you enter the ashram.
Person you were thinking of. Forget you forever now.
We know you're angry, but we also know you're kind. You.
Girls cannot be undone.
Means she has to suffer all her life for what you have done to her.
I think I can reduce the severity of this curse. When you could show something that belongs to this person whom you are thinking of, we will remember you again.
Protocols, echoes for generations. Baba, I've traveled to Hastinapur to meet Dushyant. Please give me permission to travel. Go on. You're trained to leave. My blessings are with you. Why are you going for Hastinapur? I have to meet Prince Dushyant. Oh, it's possible. I'm scared, Baba. Don't worry, my child. Hold tight, child. My ring! My ring! My find your ring. I cannot find your ring too. That was the only thing that couldn't remind Prince Dushyant about me. Baba, I pray I wouldn't need to go back. Buy some fresh fruits, lady. Fruits. I'd like to meet Prince Dushyant. Please.
Not anger like this. It's the king's palace.
My lady, how can I help you? Please, tell the king that Shakuntala is here to meet him. If he recognizes me, please let me. If not, my apologies, but he does not remember anyone by the name of Shakuntala.
It brings me great joy to announce the name of King Dushyant and Shakuntala's son, Bharat.
Bharat is growing up so quickly. He carries the same radiance that Shakuntala has.
The king.
No, it belongs to me. Please let us keep. It's mine. Mine. No, it's mine. Mine. No, it's mine.
I found a stable. I stick open the face.
Who is like the boy? Mine. All is contained in the word then. You need to give more details, Shaman. I picked up the net. My wife packed. Oh! Then as I cut open the net, I found
Oh, we want to show this thing working. Ministers, leave them right now.
I hope we did the right thing by bringing the ring to you, Your Majesty.
This is the ring I gave to Shakuntala. Where is she now? Oh, I wonder. What have I done? Why has Shakuntala not come looking for me? Is she alive? Oh, I hope she is fine.
A beautiful lady had come to see you a long time ago. She asked me to inquire if you would see her. Her name was Shakuntala. But you denied knowing her, Your Majesty, so we had to send her back.
What have I done? There seems to be a curse on us. Or else, how is this possible? Get all the ministers ready. We are leaving for Rishi Kanwa's ashram. Also, reward these men handsomely.
No, it belongs to me.
No, it belongs to me.
He gave it to me.
So what is mine?
Almost like the miracle we've been waiting for. Where is Bharat? I haven't seen him in the ashram since morning. Mama. I haven't seen my father. When will he come to see me? Shall we go back to him?
There is a time assigned for everything, my child.
Oh, it's alive! Don't go close to it. It won't do anything to you. No, we are not in for this. Don't go yet. Look at that young boy. He's playing with the lion cub. Look at that young boy. He's playing with the lion cub.
I see a bright spark in his eyes and on his face. Whose son are you, my brave child?
I am the son of Shakuntala and King Dushyant. This is the ashram. I protect and hold sacred.
My son, oh, your words fill me with immense relief and happiness. He is exactly like you, Your Majesty. How blessed are we? I am King Dushyant, the king of Hastinapur. Your father. I have come to set things right now, my child. Please believe me.
I shall take you to the ashram.
Pranam, O great Rishi. Please, what was this plan?
This was the result of the curse from Rishi Durvasa.
Kuntala, ever be able to forgive me?
Of course, sir. She is waiting for this day. Has the moment we all were praying for arrived?
Shakuntala. I beg for your forgiveness. I don't know what conspired. Don't explain anything, Raja Dushyant. We are all puppets in the hands of our destiny. He has received the best kind of education under the care of his mother and Rishi Kanva at the ashram. This has prepared him to be a great king in the future.
To take your rightful place, my daughter, I proclaim that Bharat's name will remain in posterity and will be revered till time immemorial. I like how Bharat is thinking. We need to establish a solid front immediately.
There will be extreme weather in these regions. How do we get past that, my prince? We don't get past, we go through it. But we will need someone to guide us in these areas. Yes, I realize that, Baba. We will need your help in this. We will need Parshuram to support us in this quest.
Vijay Baba!
संकल्प बोल के हम तो निकल पड़े हर द्वार खोल के गगन करे विजय
I am so glad that your education is complete and you are ready for everything you are destined for.
He's been very hardworking and dedicated. As Parshuram returned home, Bharat was to meet him. Rishivar, Bharat met Parshuram. He also saw the longbow of Lord Vishnu, which he has used in his wars.
We believe Bharat is ready to be king. Your father and I want to return to the ashram now, son.
And thus, the wheel of time keeps moving. Call everyone and make arrangements for Bharat's coronation.
I need for Hastinapur. May you bring glory to Chandravantra. I declare Rishi Vishwamitra the full Guru of Hastinapur. My dream is to have a great civilization